Welcome to video 12.5D, volume of a frustum. So first let me show you what a frustum is. Let's suppose that this is a cone, and then we cut the cone parallel to the base. The resulting bottom portion is the frustum. All right, so here's the problem. We have a right cone with a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. The cone is cut parallel to the base, 5 centimeters down from the vertex. Find the volume of the resulting frustum. So I drew a picture here. So the height is 10, the radius is 4. We're cutting it here. We're 5 centimeters down. Again, the frustum is this bottom portion. So to find this, what we're going to do is find the volume of the big cone, subtract the volume of the top cone, and then the resulting volume will be that of the frustum. All right, so the volume of the big cone, volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So the radius is 4 and the height is 10. So that'll be 1/3 pi times 4 squared times 10. 4 squared is 16 times 10 is 160. So 160 pi over 3. Now we're going to work on the volume of the top cone. So we'll have to do a little bit more work here. Notice what we have is two similar triangles. Both this top triangle and this large triangle share that top angle. And we have two right angles. So those triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. What that means is corresponding sides are proportional. So I can see if the big leg here is 10 and this leg here in the top one is 5, I've got a 2-to-1 ratio in all my dimensions. So if this radius is 4, this one will be half of that, 2. Okay. So now that I've got the radius there, I can go ahead and finish the problem. The volume of the top cone, again, 1/3 pi r squared h, 1/3 pi 2 squared. That height is only 5. So that's going to be 2 squared is 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 pi over 3. And then finally, to answer the question, to find the volume of the frustum is just going to be big cone volume minus top cone volume. So I'll show my work here. 160 pi over 3 minus 20 pi over 3. That works out nicely. I've got a common denominator, and I can subtract. Pi's are like terms. So 160 pi minus 20 pi will give me 140 pi over 3. And that'll be centimeters cubed. So there you have it, how to find the volume of a frustum and leave your answer in exact simplified form.